What's the crack? Welcome back to Benidorm. It's all changed on Calle Gerona. There's some new bars to show you and lots of renovations happening to your favourite bars. I'll show you them as we walk along, but we're starting our walk at what some would say is the very start of Calle Gerona, Rockstar Bar. The terrace is always busy during the winter months and today is no exception. Let me know in the comments if you're planning on visiting Benidorm over the Christmas period or even in 2026. At jumping jacks during the winter months, the sun sits much lower in the sky, so you're constantly chasing it, moving around just to stay in the sunlight. But I haven't been back to Benidorm since January, so it's been almost a year. During the summer I took a short break from vlogging, so it's definitely good to be back out filming content for you guys. And in the autumn I filmed some videos from British seaside resorts like Great Yarmouth, Hemsby, and there's lots of content from Ireland as well, so go and check those videos out if you haven't already. Just coming up to Funky Flamingo, a couple of people on the terrace. There's lots of things going on in there. Pool tournament, karaoke hosted by the Benidorm enthusiast, and they do take race and sports bets if you're visiting during Cheltenham week. Right now we're walking past one of the cheapest bars in Benidorm, and just ahead you might be able to see construction work going on at the Rockstar Bar under the Marina hotel. There are lots of changes happening in Benidorm at the minute. After the fiestas during the off season, from December to February, bars and hotels usually get their renovations done ready for St Patrick's Day. I hope your day is going okay and you're enjoying this video. If not, I hope this video is a bit of a distraction for you. By the time you're seeing this video, I've already filmed 2 hotel reviews of a 2-star and a 3-star hotel in Benidorm's Old Town, and both of the reviews ended in disaster. So make sure you go back and watch those if you haven't already. To my right, you've got a couple of Irish bars, the Shamrock and Dubliner. They really only open during the summer months and the terrace is always busy. Up ahead on the left is the Railway Bar, and opposite is the Zodiac Bar, which is being refurbished at the moment. I've got a few good memories of watching Albie Sr and Gary George back in the day when we first started visiting Benidorm. Let me know in the comments if you know what's happening with the Marina Bar and Zodiac Bar. I started filming this video just after 1:30 in the afternoon. It is midweek as well. I know a lot of you like to know what time it is when I'm filming. I'm at the Rose and Crown karaoke bar, taking a look at drink prices here in Benidorm. 2 pints of Australia are €4. They also do bucket deals, 5 bottles of Mahou, Coors or San Miguel for €10, which works out better if you are in a group. Inside it doesn't look that busy, a couple of people in watching the football. Rocky's pub on my left. It's one of the few bars on Calle Gerona that really hasn't been refurbished over the years, I don't think. But one bar that has been open about a year now is Brit Station. Let me know in the comments if you've been in. If you're a Benidorm regular, you'll know down Calle Gerona there's plenty of props trying to get you into the bars offering free shots. But if you want to avoid being hassled, walk down with the gimbal in your hand. Walking past the Ambassador Hotel Playa and the Western Saloon underneath. I filmed a review here last Christmas, I think. It's rated one of the best hotels on Calle Gerona, but honestly, I don't think it lived up to the hype. You might have seen it already, but go back and check it out and tell me what you think. You might be looking at hotels and flights for your next trip to Benidorm. Don't forget, the Skyscanner is a great comparison website. Using the link in the description or scanning the on-screen QR code doesn't cost you anything extra, but it really helps support me in making more videos like this. We're heading down towards the Silver Dollar and Piccadilly Bar. I think there's some entertainment at Flash Hotel, and Sean Elliott might be outside the Calypso Hotel, so we'll pop by and say hello too. Let me know if I should do more content from Benidorm next year by giving this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment which hotel I should review in a future video. I'm standing outside the Hotel Rosamar next to Calypso Hotel and have to show you the tiny Santas on the roof. How cute do they look? I love seeing hotels at Christmas, but I think Hotel Presidente always wins the Christmas decoration contest. I'll maybe show you that in a different video. A huge thank you to all my YouTube members and Buy Me a Coffee supporters on screen now. If you want to join and support the channel, you'll get early access to videos and help me make more content. I'll leave the link in the description of this video, or scan the QR code at the end of this video to go straight to the Walk with Niamh members page. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch my recent Benidorm hotel reviews, click the top video. Otherwise, YouTube has selected another video it thinks you might enjoy.